Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a first-time car buyer in the US and thinking about getting a used car, then today's video is exactly for you. Buying used is a smart move. You can save a lot compared to a new car. And if you pick wisely, you can get something super reliable too. Now, when we talk about used cars for first-time buyers, there are a few big things to think about: reliability, maintenance costs, resale value, and fuel efficiency. Brands like Toyota, Honda, and Mazda have repeatedly shown up on reliability lists. According to Consumer Reports, these brands consistently perform well. They don't redesign their cars radically, so systems remain stable over time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my top 5 picks for reliable used cars that are especially great for first-time buyers. These aren't just random picks. They're based on real-world reliability data, cost of ownership studies, and what people actually drive and love. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or just starting out, these cars hit a sweet spot. Before we dive in, a quick pro tip: always get a pre-purchase inspection by a trusted mechanic. Even the most reliable models can hide problems if you don't check them out. Also, run a vehicle history report like Carfax. Make sure there's no hidden damage or major red flags. Okay, with that out of the way, let's jump into the list. First up, the Honda Civic. This car is a classic favorite for first-time buyers, and for good reason. The Civic ticks a ton of boxes. It's fuel efficient, dependable, and holds its value well. According to Autosport Reviews, a 2018-2021 Civic is especially sweet spot territory for used buyers. One of the biggest strengths of the Civic is its engine longevity. Owners report fewer serious mechanical issues over time, and parts are widely available. Plus, because it's so common, you'll find plenty of good used options: sedans, hatchbacks, different trims, and many of them come with safety features, good infotainment, and reasonable mileage. From a cost perspective, a used Civic is generally cheaper to maintain than many other cars, especially if previous owners kept up with basic service. Insurance costs are also favorable, especially for younger or first-time drivers, because of the Civic's safety reputation and moderate repair costs. Another huge plus: resale value. If you take care of it, you can likely resell it later for a good chunk of what you paid. All of this makes the Civic a near-perfect all-around pick for someone stepping into car ownership for the first time. Next, let's talk about the Toyota Corolla. This is arguably one of the most boring but brilliant cars on the market, which is a good thing. The Corolla's strength lies precisely in its reliability and simplicity. According to Autosport Reviews, older Corollas 2017-2020 are a top choice because they are built to last. Toyota's reputation for long-term durability is well earned. Many Corollas routinely hit 200,000 plus miles, especially when maintained properly. It doesn't have a super flashy design, but that's okay. It's not about being cool, it's about getting you from A to B reliably, safely, and efficiently. On the financial side, the Corolla tends to have low maintenance costs. Parts are everywhere, mechanics know how to service them, and there's a strong aftermarket for replacement parts. Fuel efficiency is typically very good, especially in highway driving. It's a great commuter car or just a daily driver. For first-time buyers, a used Corolla gives you peace of mind. It's dependable, cheap enough to insure relative to bigger or more performance-oriented cars, and doesn't demand a ton of expensive upkeep. If you're in it for the long haul, this car can be a stress-free companion for years. Coming in at number 3 is the Mazda 3. Now this one's a little more fun than the previous two. You get a sporty feel, good handling, and still great reliability. According to Autosport Reviews, the 2016-2019 Mazda 3 is a standout for first-time buyers. Why Mazda 3? Well, aside from being fun to drive, it's built very solidly. The interior often feels more premium than what you'd expect from a compact car, and Mazda tends to offer good safety tech on many trims. That means you're not just getting reliability, but a really pleasant driving experience. In terms of cost, maintenance is a little more than the Corolla maybe, but not dramatically so. And if you prioritize driving feel, many people think it's worth it. Fuel economy is still very competitive. It's a car that gives you a slightly more upscale feel without breaking your wallet. Another point, resale value is decent, especially for well-maintained Mazdas. Plus, because the Mazda 3 is a very common car, there are lots of used options in different body styles, sedan, hatch, so you have flexibility in what you choose. For number 4 and 5, I want to give you two solid but different picks, Hyundai Elantra and Subaru Impreza. Hyundai Elantra. Specifically, used Elantras from around 2015-2018 are a really smart buy. Autosport Reviews highlights that these Elantras provide great value. They are affordable, have decent fuel efficiency, and a solid track record. Plus, depending on the year, you might still catch some of Hyundai's longer warranty benefits, or at least know the car was originally built under a strong warranty culture. Subaru Impreza. Now this is a choice for someone who might want a little more capability, especially if you live in areas with snow or rain. One of the big advantages of the Impreza is standard all-wheel drive on many used models. According to Autosport Reviews, used Imprezas from 2016-2019 offer that plus a reliable footprint. All-wheel drive gives you extra safety in slippery conditions, and Subaru's engine and drivetrain have good long-term durability when maintained. So there you go, my top 5 used cars for first-time buyers in the US. Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, Mazda 3, Hyundai Elantra, and Subaru Impreza. Each of these cars brings something slightly different to the table, whether it's sportiness, value, or extra traction, but all of them share strong reliability and relatively low long-term costs. When you're ready to buy, don't skip the pre-purchase inspection, check the maintenance records, and run a vehicle history report. These steps can save you from major headaches down the road. If you liked this video and found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car buying guides, and drop a comment. Which car on this list would you pick and why? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.